Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's My Lead Gen Secret review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that I've now been paid out $426 in affiliate commissions with My Lead Gen Secret. But more importantly, I want to show you how you can get your 200 leads a day for free. So you can start with 100 leads a day, which is 3,000 a month. These are tier 1 leads, 100% tier 1 leads. And also a bit later, I want to show you how all the free resources and tools that we're going to give you on what to promote to these leads and earn additional commissions. So I'm live here in my Yahoo accounts where I get all my notifications for my commissions for My Lead Gen Secret. And they send you an email, and you'll see here that the supporters sent me $31 in commission. So what I do is when I get to the $30 threshold, I then take my money out because the money is better off in your bank account than somebody else's account. And the $30 is what pays for your monthly subscription. I'm going to go now into my back office of My Lead Gen Secret. I'll go into affiliates and I'll just show you, because all you've got to do is you start out with 100 leads per day. And once you get one paid referral, you then go to 200 leads a day. So it's a significant jump. It takes you from 3,000 leads a month to 6,000 leads every single month. And if I go into commissions here, I'm just going to show you the commissions because you get paid down on 5 different levels with this affiliate program. So I'm blurring out the members' information here for privacy, but we're concerned here with the commissions earned column. And these two letters here, RC, this is the first level of $5, and RC stands for recurring commission. And then you see here, so RA is a reactivation. So sometimes members leave and then they come back. Your leads get put on hold if you leave and you come back with the same number of leads. And then the $4 level here, it comes down another level here on $3 a month. So once your referrals start to promote the affiliate program, you get paid down up to 5 different levels. So it's a really good compensation plan. And you just need one paid referral. These are one-time offers. So there's a few one-time offers, but it all adds up. They're put into there for additional email swipes. You do get all the email swipes. And it's important to note that with these leads, you can promote the My Lead Gen Secret affiliate program that you get to the leads every day to start to get your referrals. If I come all the way down here, you'll see my total earnings somewhere down here. My total earnings are at $426, and I've been paid out $426. So it says here you get paid when your balance reaches $30, and that's when I withdraw mine to pay for my monthly membership. So once your referrals get up to $30, you then get in all your traffic for free. And that's the key thing, is to not just use a traffic source, but promote it and earn some affiliate commissions and get your traffic for free. I want to take you now into the leads themselves and show you how many leads I've got, and proof that they're tier 1 leads. I'm going to go into mailing system here. And if you're not familiar with tier 1 leads are the best leads you can get. I'm going to go into select all. So you've got 3 tiers, tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. And tier 1 leads, which are USA, United Kingdom where I live, Canada, Australia and New Zealand. So tonight I'll be able to email 155,000 leads, and I'm getting 6,000. I'm getting 200 every single day, and I'm getting 6,000 every single month. So you can see I've been a member now for quite some time and I'm very happy with this service. I'll just show you the leads here. Actually, let's go into statistics here, this one. And if we come down here a touch and we go into, let's go into this one here. So the leads are your own, so you can download them to a CSV file. Within the My Lead Gen Secret system, you can promote once a day, every 23 hours. It's got an internal email system. You don't need an autoresponder to use this system. It's got a spam policy built in, spam compliant, and you'll see that the majority of these, some United Kingdom ones there, but the majority of these, they are tier 1 leads. So I want to show you the Facebook group now. This is really important because I want to give you all the help, support and training so you can succeed with My Lead Gen Secret, and not just with the affiliate program to get your leads for free, but also what to promote to these leads. And within this group, there's 5,400 members. So you get help with promoting the My Lead Gen Secret affiliate program. But within this group, there's some very experienced and successful marketers. I'll mentor you one-to-one if you want my help. But there's some experienced marketers here that are earning good commissions, promoting different offers to the My Lead Gen Secret leads. And that's all within our Facebook group here. And we've also got lots of files and guides and resources to help you promote the My Lead Gen Secret affiliate program if you wish to do so. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I really appreciate that. That will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you can think of anybody who'd get value from this video, then please share the video as well. And please click subscribe on the bell icon if you'd like to see some more videos from me. I've currently got 900 videos on the channel and I'm doing several new videos every week. If you've got any questions at all on My Lead Gen Secret, there'll be a link in the description with more information. And if you want to get started, you can join through that link as well. And if you've got any questions, then I use it every single day for prospecting, and I generally use lead capture pages a lot of the time to take the leads from the My Lead Gen Secret list onto my own list. So any questions, put those in the comments and I'll answer those for you. I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email, or if you'd like some one-to-one mentoring. Thanks very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.